Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. Let's quickly talk about the best setting for the Turtle Beach Stealth for FPS games. Now, you could go ahead and customize your setting by downloading the official application from Turtle Beach, and this is only an example right here for mobile devices. Obviously, you could get one that's supported for something like PC. Now, basically with this one, we could modify the settings for our headset itself, something like the superhuman hearing, or where I'm going to focus more on about, which is going to be the game presets. Now, this is the options that I recommend. Basically, you want to go ahead and select the headset EQ presets, which is going to be right here once again. For the signature sound, which is going to be 1 bit, it is going to be a solid all-around balance for baseline, which is once again going to be this option right here. Now for the vocal boost, the best built-in preset for isolating voice comms and enemy callouts, which is going to be this specific preset. So just select either one of this depending on your playstyle, but if you want to set it on your own, you could customize a preset the way you want to. So I recommend this specific options right here. For bass or low frequencies, you want to cut it by -2 decibel to -3. For mid, you want to go ahead and set the 1 to 3 kHz boost by +2 decibel to +4 dB. Now, this perfectly captures reload sounds and enemy footsteps. And for treble, which is going to be for 4 kHz and 8 kHz, you want to boost it by 1, by 2 for higher and clarity, basically for glass breaking, bullet whistles, and more. Now, the only thing that I recommend for the features on the actual Stout 500 is the superhuman hearing right here. So you just want to simply set it at default. Now, you could go ahead and use this by pressing the power button once to toggle this feature on. It aggressively compresses the audio dynamically to amplify subtle, distant footsteps, and weapon swaps. Now, when to cut it off or when to simply turn it off? Well, it's basically great for competitive awareness. It can make your game sound tinny or artificial. So you want to turn it off if you're playing casual or story mode, or just want to enjoy the acoustic immersion. But this is the only thing that I recommend turning on for Stout 500, especially for FPS games. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.